President Donald Trump showed up at the Supreme Court today to watch the justices consider whether he could narrow birthright citizenship by executive order. That alone tells you how important this case is. I'm attorney Tracy Paulsen, founder of Rightful Legal. Today, the U.S. Supreme Court heard arguments over President Trump's effort to limit birthright citizenship for some children born in the United States if their parents are undocumented or only here temporarily. And in a historic first, Trump attended the oral argument in person, becoming the first sitting president ever to do so. This appearance is unprecedented, and here's why this matters. Birthright citizenship is rooted in the 14th Amendment. For generations, the constitutional rule has been that children born on U.S. soil are citizens, subject to very narrow exceptions. The challenges today argue Trump's order directly conflicts with the Constitution, federal law, and the Supreme Court's 1898 decision in the U.S. versus Wong Kim. Multiple lower courts blocked the order before it reached the justices. What makes this such a major legal story is that it's not just about immigration. It is about whether a president can try to narrow a constitutional guarantee through executive action instead of through Congress or constitutional amendments. That is why reporters, the media, legal analysts, and constitutional scholars are watching this so closely. If the court were to accept that theory, the implications would reach far beyond citizenship into the outer limits of presidential power. That final point is a legal inference from the administrative position and the constitutional structure at issue. And Trump's personal attendance adds another layer to the story. Presidents do not typically appear at Supreme Court oral arguments, and his decision to sit in the courtroom during a case involving his own executive order underscores how politically and constitutionally significant this fight has become. The real takeaway is this. The Supreme Court is not just reviewing an immigration policy. It is being asked whether a long-settled understanding of American citizenship can be narrowed by presidential power. A ruling is expected on this in June. If you have any questions about this, you can reach me directly at 617-821-5856. If you found this informative or helpful, please like or share, and please stay tuned for more updates. Thank you so much.